digital gold rush is here. AI is no longer just for tech giants. It's the ultimate tool for you to build a new stream of income from home. First up, ChatGPT. Use it to ghostwrite articles or craft winning sales copy for freelance clients. It's your 24/7 creative partner. Next, Canva. Their AI Magic Studio lets anyone create professional branding and social media kits that businesses are desperate to pay for. Leonardo.ai. Generate breathtaking digital art for print-on-demand products or custom illustrations without ever picking up a brush. Number 4. CapCut. Their AI tools make professional video editing accessible. Offer short-form content services to creators who need to scale. Finally, 11 Labs. Create studio-quality voiceovers for audiobooks or faceless YouTube channels with just a few clicks. The barrier to entry has vanished. The only thing standing between you and your online business is the decision to start today. For more AI strategies to build your wealth, subscribe to AIXillion. Let's make this happen.